Hey ScoopBuddy fam. Have you ever wondered how you get lightning fast customer service online, or how complex data gets processed so efficiently? The answer might surprise you. It's often the unseen heroes of the business world, business process outsourcing, BPO, companies. Today, we're taking a trip to India, a global leader in the BPO industry. From handling customer calls to managing complex financial transactions, Indian BPO companies are the hidden engine powering businesses worldwide. But with so many players in the game, who are the top contenders? Buckle up, because we're about to unveil the top 10 BPO companies in India. Genpact, this giant is a global leader in BPO and IT services. Think of them as the all-rounder. They handle everything from customer service to complex digital transformation projects. Imagine a company needing to revamp its entire online presence. Genpact might be the invisible hand behind that seamless experience. Infosys BPM. This powerhouse is a subsidiary of the IT giant Infosys. They specialize in transforming businesses through automation and AI. Think of them as the tech wizards. They use cutting-edge technology to streamline processes and make businesses run like well-oiled machines. Wipro. Another big name, Wipro offers a wide range of BPO services, from customer support to back-office operations. They're like the reliable workhorses. You can count on them to handle any BPO need efficiently and effectively. We've just scratched the surface. There are many more incredible BPO companies making India a global leader in this industry. But here's the thing, the BPO world isn't just about the big guys. There are a bunch of other amazing companies out there, each with their own unique strengths. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. This Indian multinational giant offers a variety of BPO services, leveraging their vast experience in IT and consulting. They're like the experienced advisors. They bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, ensuring a successful BPO experience. Suntech India. These specialists focus on the financial services sector, providing BPO solutions for everything from loan processing to insurance claims. They're like the financial wizards. They understand the complexities of the financial world and can streamline processes for maximum efficiency. Flatworld Solutions. This company takes a unique approach, focusing on small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs. They're like the friendly neighborhood BPO, offering affordable and customized solutions for businesses of all sizes. WNS Global Services. This global BPO leader isn't just about offering a wide range of services. They're the true utility players of the industry. From customer relationship management, the lifeblood of any business, to finance and accounting, the backbone of financial health, and even research and analytics, the key to unlocking valuable insights, WNS Global Services is a one-stop shop for BPO needs. They cater to businesses across various industries, from healthcare giants to tech startups, offering a comprehensive suite of solutions that can streamline operations, improve efficiency, and ultimately, drive growth. Vestas IT Services. They might not be a household name, but behind the scenes in the ever-evolving healthcare industry, Vestas IT Services plays a crucial role. These are the medical marvels of the BPO world, ensuring smooth operations behind the scenes. They specialize in healthcare BPO solutions like medical coding and billing, tasks that are essential for accurate record keeping, efficient insurance claim processing, and ultimately, delivering quality healthcare. Vestas IT Services frees up medical professionals to focus on what they do best, caring for patients, by handling the complex administrative tasks that keep the healthcare system running smoothly. But wait, there's more. Here are a few more companies that deserve a shout-out. First Source Solutions. These BPO veterans specialize in customer experience management, ensuring a smooth and positive experience for your clients. Hinduja Global Solutions, HGS. This multinational giant offers a comprehensive suite of BPO services, from healthcare to animation. EXL Service. These data analytics experts help businesses unlock the power of their data, using it to